Are you ready to dive into the fascinating world of PCB design and production? Whether you're an aspiring engineer, a hobbyist, or a seasoned professional, understanding printed circuit boards is essential in today's tech-driven landscape. Imagine a world where your ideas come to life, where your designs transform into tangible products that power everything from smartphones to space shuttles. That's the power of PCB design. Let's start with the basics. A printed circuit board is the backbone of electronic devices, providing the necessary connections for components to communicate and function. But it's not just about connectivity. It's about creativity and innovation. With advanced design software at your fingertips, you can create intricate layouts that optimize space and performance. And guess what? You don't need to be a coding wizard to get started. User-friendly platforms are available that guide you through the design process, making it accessible for everyone. Now, let's talk production. Once you've crafted your masterpiece, it's time to bring it to life. Modern manufacturing techniques, like automated assembly and high-precision soldering, ensure your PCBs are built to perfection. Quality control is paramount, and with rigorous testing processes, you can trust that your designs will perform reliably in the real world. But why stop there? By mastering PCB design and production, you open doors to endless possibilities. From prototyping your own gadgets to launching a startup, the skills you acquire can set you apart in a competitive market. So, are you ready to embark on this exciting journey? Join us as we explore the intricacies of PCB design and production and unleash your potential in the ever-evolving tech landscape. Your ideas deserve to be realized. Let's make it happen together with ANTT Robotics. Contact us at support@anttrobotics.com or visit our website at www.iotsnacksbox.io or www.antroboticskorea.com. We look forward to hearing from you.